Oh, tug of war. Come on, Titan. Look at them puppy teeth. Oh. Well, you tried and failed. Leave, buddy. Good boy. I think Titan just wants to play with Buddy. Buddy just wants to play with the fish. Oh, no. Stop, look. Look. You're so cute. You're so cute. Meanwhile, Doofus over there, doing the same position. Buddy? If you can hear Teddy in the background, by the way, guys, he's just had an operation and he really wants to play, but he's on bed rest, and so he's just howling. Oh, just threw it at him. There'll be a different video on that one. Not sure which order these videos will go up in, but yeah, Teddy is fine. He's just desperate to play, but he can't. Oh, right. Oh my goodness. Come on then, buds. You can't let go of your grip. Come on, buddy. Oh, this is my left hand. Ha, ha, I win. Lefty as well. Right, I'm going to try again. This is going to be embarrassing. Last time. Here we go. That's going out the gate, isn't it? Nope, in the bush. Buddy doesn't even know where it went. He's still looking for it. He's still can't find it. Oh, that wind picked up. Oh, look, golden retriever glow. Well done, Titan. You're smarter. Oh my gosh, that was rude. I was going to throw it for you. Well, there we go. Oh. Buddy, share. Oh, pretty clouds in the sky. Should we go get him again? Come on, Titan. Ah! Ha! Ha! Got it. We are the champions. This will probably fit over your head thinking about it. No, buddy, that was a bad idea. Bad idea. No. Ow, my nail! Buddy! Oh, I just ripped off the nail. I did not have a good grip on it then. That was my bad. Buddy. Leave it. Titan. You ready, Titan? It's yours. There you go. Do you want it? Do you want it over your head again? There you go, Titan. Got it, buddy. No, this is a test. See, and this is why we love golden retrievers. We're sharing. Again, if Teddy or Nika were making those kinds of noises, People would be worried. Are you okay? Nope, we're not done. You alright? Titan? Yes, buddy. Hi. Hi. Go get it then. You want it? Get it. Get it. Come on, he's no match. You could just literally take it right now. Are you okay? Buddy. Hey. That poor Frisbee. That poor Frisbee. Let me throw it for you. No? Just a no? Hard no? You can throw it yourself, apparently. Do you know what really bothers me about golden retrievers? Is it, if he was on the park making these noises, nobody would bat an eye. But if one of my dogs was excited and making noises like that, people would be petrified. And it's just the stereotype of like a golden retriever breed. They are no problem. And yeah, they're just completely friendly no matter what sound they're making. Versus a different breed. Buddy, give me the Frisbee, I'll throw it. Damn it. You've got a screw loose.